Very good morning, students. I Ashok Patel welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to give you a revision. Okay, this video is made for revision purpose. So, chapter number 12, class 5, environmental studies, and name of chapter is what if it is finished. Student, this chapter is all about crude oil, fuel, okay, that we uses every day. Okay, for example, petrol, diesel, LPG gas, CNG gas. Now, how they extract, okay, from where this fuel we get, and what uses in which instrument they use, and what are the effects or impact of this fuel on our environment, and what happens if it is finished. What if it is finished? Here you can see the traffic, right? So many vehicles. It's like traffic jam, and here school bus. So this is a story about students are going to the picnic. Okay, where they stuck in the traffic, and they observe that so many vehicles are releasing gases by burning fuel. So a kind of air pollution. They constantly horn. Okay, so the problem of noise. Okay, pollution of noise. Right now you can see the you can see this in this picture, a petrol pump. On the petrol pump, after some time, okay, our bus stopped at petrol pump. So student means driver stopped his bus on petrol pump for fill up diesel tank, and student find a long queue on petrol pump. Right, so they have to wait for a few minutes or for a minute, couple of minutes to get the petrol, right? So this chapter is all about uses of petrol, impact, effects of uses of petrol on environment, and what finish. So uses like in a motor car, bus, vehicle, okay, heavy vehicle, we use petrol and diesel. Now how we gets petrol? So we get petrol from the deep down of the earth, right? They scientists use different techniques, like they insert big pipes to pull out the petrol or crude oil from the deep down of the earth, and then this crude oil, this impure liquid, have been sent to this refinery. Why they send this petrol to refinery? Just because of this petrol is impure. So to make that petrol pure and to divide petrol, diesel, naphthalene and other lubricants, so they send this petrol to the refinery. Now, what kind of implications or effect on the environment? Like it create a noise pollution as well as air pollution, and somehow soil pollution. How somehow soil pollution? Just because when they pull out this crude oil from the deep down of the earth, some of they drill the surface of earth, like, so it is a destructive method. The land won't be used again. So this is how it creates land pollution or soil pollution, right? Here discussion further. Divya and Uncle and Arnab, they talk about if petrol will finish, right? And this is treasure. It is not easy to find out. Okay, so here this paragraph is all about that, you know, petrol and diesel are divided unequally by nature, right? Some land or some countries, let's forget about land, but some countries have lots of petrol, crude oil, like Gulf country, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, okay, and Oman, Qatar. Okay, these countries are very rich in petroleum or crude oil, whereas some country don't have, you know, petrol at all, right? So the distribution of petrol is divided unequally, right? And here treasure from the earth. So we are supposed to use judicially, right? Whatever we use, petrol or diesel or ethanol, we must use this petrol, this fuel judicially, because this will, these resources are non-renewable resources. You cannot, you know, get or you cannot renew this resource within a few hours or within a few days. It will take billions of years to replenish this resources like petrol and fuel. So instead of petrol and fuel, we are supposed to use, we have to develop some alternative like electric bike, right? Electric car. Nowadays, you know, Elon Musk, CEO of this Tesla company, invent electric automatic car, which make, you know, revolution in the field of, you know, transportation. But it will take time just because of those cars are very expensive. But instead of, you know, this petrol and diesel, we have to invent or discover this alternative like electric car, electric bike, or we can use bicycle in domestic area, like in our village. We can use bicycle. This is how we can conserve, this is how we can save petrol and diesel, right? This is chart, okay? These are some instruments like which machine use petrol and diesel and which machine use do not use and uses of petrol, okay? Now wood for a chula. Okay, check in a village area. We use LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, let me tell you one thing that we have to use CNG, called compressed natural gas. Okay, we use compressed natural gas CNG as a fuel, so it will, you know, reduce the level of air pollution. Nowadays, government introduced new kind of fuel, biodiesel, which is made out from, you know, vegetables, okay, and waste of vegetable. This biodiesel we also can use. It has, you know, two advantages. One is we are not depend, we won't depend on this, you know, crude oil, okay, that will take thousands of years to get renewed. And second thing, this biodiesel will use very less, will use air pollution. Now, wood for chula. Chula in general we use an LPG gas for cooking. In a village area, in a countryside area, people use apple and wood or a cake of this cow dung to fire their chula. So it will, you know, spread pollution, right? Now this is chart. Apple and wood, uses of apple and wood in 1996, 84%. LPG and kerosene, 10%. Coal and electricity, right? This is how in 1996. Numbers have been changed. Okay. Now let's discuss the question answer of this chapter. Right? Now, keyword vehicle. What do you mean by vehicle? Vehicle is a machine used for a transportation, like move from one place to another place. Bore well, a well which uses water to pump out water from the ground. Okay, you whether you are aware or not, but generally this in a village area they use hand pump. So this bore well is modern version of hand pump where electric motor is used to pump out the water from the ground. CNG, as I told you, compressed natural gas used to power vehicle. It used as a fuel in a car. Refinery, a place where things are clean and impurities are removed. Okay, refinery, like oil refinery, crude oil refinery, and other many types of refinery where things are clean and impurities are removed. Kerosene. Kerosene is a type of fuel. Okay, made when petroleum is distilled. Okay, when they bifurcate. Okay, they make separation of petrol, diesel, grease. Then this kerosene, they get kerosene and it used as a fuel. Now choose the correct answer. One of this vehicle does not run on fuel, like car, petrol or diesel, bus, petrol or diesel, not only it's a CNG, petrol or diesel. So correct answer is bicycle. Right, bicycle does not run on fuel. Which one of this is not made up from the oil found underground? Okay, so the things which is not made up of oil from underground, that is cotton. This is where the people take their vehicle to fill up the fuel tank. What it is? Petrol pump, right? ATM, we get money. Grocery stores, we get consuming item, and school we get knowledge. So petrol pump is a place where people take their vehicle to fill up the fuel tank. In a village, people use this to cook food, wood and apple. Like they don't have any LPG gas cylinder. To save fuel, we should dash vehicle when they are not running. Turn off. Like generally, I find in this traffic signal, like people keep on their engine and they keep their engine for 2 minutes, 3 minutes on a railway gate. Even if they know that it will take 10 to 15 minutes, even then they use they turn on their engine, and it is a waste of fuel as well as it is causes pollution. So we should turn off our vehicle when they are not running. Now fill in the blanks with the right answer or with the appropriate answer. We always switch the engine when not in use. This turn off, right? Dash drill deep into the ground and take out oil. Big machines, right? Scientists use big machine to pull out the crude oil, to pull out the impure petrol from the ground. We should use dash judicially, as I told you in the beginning of revision, that crude oil or fuel judicially. Over the year, the prices of petrol and diesel have, everyone know, increased, right? In the history of India, the prices of petrol won't get decreased, right? CNG is obtained from deep below the earth. Okay. Now these are true and false. Petrol and diesel can be found everywhere. False, right? And not all countries have the stock or the stock of the petrol and diesel, right? They don't have petrol and diesel at all. People in remote village use induction gas top to cook food. False. They use only apple and wood. If we do not limit the use of petroleum, reverse will run True, right? Petrol and diesel will run out because these are non-renewable resources that will take billions of years to get replenished, right? It is not easy to, generate petrol and diesel. And according to a survey that, we have the stock of petrol. We have availability of petrol for only few years, right? Only 20 years. हम लोग के पास इतना पेट्रोल है जो 20 साल तक ही चल सकता है, ठीक है? So availability of petrol is very less, so it will get run out. Electricity can be used to run vehicle. True. There are long lines at the petrol station because of increased number of vehicles. True, right? Nowadays, just because of this lockdown and corona, number of vehicles become more. Why? Just because trains have been closed for 1 year, right? That's why people are using motor vehicles, private vehicles. Now answer is very short. Why was a little boy in the rickshaw was coughing? Just because excessive smokes coming from cars. Why did Abraham get bored while playing counting game? Abraham got bored because there are not as many bicycles on the road for him to count. Imagine, like bicycles have been removed since 10 years or 12 years, right? You won't see any more bicycle on the roads. Like in a village, small children use bicycle, otherwise elders won't use. Why should we make every drop of petrol and diesel count? Just because these are very less in a quantity. There is a limited quantity of petroleum that is available to us. If we don't spend petrol and diesel carefully, they will finish and there will be nothing left for the next generation. Do you know where we get petrol and diesel from? Answer. They are drilled from the deep under the ground. What can you do to help save petrol? We can ask our parents to switch off engines of their vehicle when not being used, and if possible, we should use bicycle for short distance, like for market purpose. We use bicycle. Why it is difficult to get petrol and diesel? It is difficult to get petrol and diesel because petroleum and diesel are made is available only certain parts of the world. Also, big and expensive machines are required to pump and clean petroleum, and it is very expensive process. How is petroleum extracted from the earth? Scientists use a special technique and machines to find the area where petroleum is available. Then it is drilled out with the help of special pipes and machines. Why is the petroleum dug out from the earth sent to refinery? Just because petroleum and diesel are impure. Petroleum and diesel are impure. So to get divide petrol, diesel, to remove impurities, it has been sent to this refinery. Now, why Durga have bad cough? Durga is always coughing because she used damp wood to make her chula, damp wood, right? And it won't, fire properly. It creates lots of smoke. The smoke released from burning damp wood give her a bad cough, right? And just because of that cough, she is coughing. However, since she cannot buy dry wood, right? She has to continue to damp wood to cook. That's why Durga always coughing. So students, this is all for today. I will give you the next chapter revision in my next class. Thank you.